So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 29th of September, and this is for those who are in complete no contact or no communication. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, honey. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Okay. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Scorpio, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Tower, and the World card. Bottom of the deck is the Sun card. Wow. This is somebody who's having a lot of funny kind of energies around them. In the mind space, they're getting a lot of happiness when they're thinking about the situation between you and them. They're thinking about all the happy times that you guys had at some point of time, how happy you guys used to be with each other, and how happy the situation was at some point of time. Now, when it comes to their feelings for the situation, they feel like putting in the effort and energy to end this disaster between you guys. Now, this person is feeling like this is a disaster. Whatever happened between you guys is a disaster. Now they feel like sorting it out like with you one day at a time, one step at a time, one baby step at a time, because they feel like right now this person is realizing a lot of things when they are not with you, that whatever happened was messy, whatever happened was a disaster, and they feel like sorting it out with you one day at a time, kind of a deal. Not like, yeah, just do it. No, because now this person is missing all the happy things, all the happy memories, all the good things that you guys used to share with each other at some point of time, and now they definitely feel like sorting it out with you in some way, slowly but surely. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Scorpio? We have the High Priestess, the Five of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Temperance. It's like slowly but surely they want to work on their ego. This person wants to work on their ego side, their anger, their manipulations, their games. Now they want to be a mature person. Now they want to have some kind of stable and grounded energies in their individual life. It's like this person is realizing the more the silent, the no contact period is going on, the more they're realizing how they messed up a good connection, how they messed up everything with their ego, with their pride, with their manipulations, with their games, with their fake stories, with their this kind of attitude of winning the situation rather than winning the connection. Now this person wants to level up to the level of understanding your point of view as well, understanding things from a different point of view with a mature and grounded and calm and composite kind of energy. Okay, so this is what they want. Yeah, this person wants to learn patience. This person wants to learn how to not lose their temper, how to not mess things up, good things, especially the good ones. And this person wants to definitely be in this energy of slowly but surely understanding how to maintain a good relationship, how to be in a relationship in a healthy way. That's a really good sign, good energy that this person is understanding and going through right now at this present moment. Very good, very cool. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of September, Scorpio. Till Libra, I didn't get anybody taking any kind of initiative or action towards the other sign. Let's see, what about you? No. So basically, this person is right now learning their lessons. They're counting their blessings. They're right now in this gratitude and forgiveness kind of energy, consciously or unconsciously. This person is learning a lot of patience, coming out of the guilt, the regrets, and whatever they are going through, whatever they have put you through. Again, this person is slowly but surely making their way into your life. Maybe just a friend, just as a friend right now, but they're thinking a lot about whatever happened. They're thinking a lot about whatever they did, what part they played in this disaster. Okay, this person's energies are shifting big time. This person is going through major transformation in their life. I can't stress this word major enough. that they are going through this kind of major transformation in their life that you can't even understand right now on a human level, right? So that is why this person is keeping their energies to themselves, and they are going through a major transformation. They are going through the pain. Basically, this person is going through major spiritual awakening, knowingly or unknowingly, because they are going through the pain, and it takes a lot of courage and strength to do that. On a human level, this person is choosing to go through the pain instead of running here and there and doing something stupid and covering the pain or something. No, this person is going through the pain and understanding the transformation and going through the major healing portion of their life that they have never gone through till this point of their lifetime. So because of this whole situation between you and them, their soul is kind of thanking you. Their soul is kind of thanking this whole connection for whatever happened between you guys, because now this person is growing as a soul, and you can't imagine the way this person is going through all this. I just wish and hope that this person is going to go through this completely. Otherwise, it's going to be a shit show, nothing more than that. Okay, if they're going to stop it in between. Anyway, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.